GTA Math. What's up? Today we about to work on a derivative, and we're going to use the quotient rule. So the first thing I do is I use this method called low D high. Low D high minus high D low, all divided by low squared. So this is our low, this is our high. So the first thing I'm going to do is to the side, I'm going to write high equals x squared, and then I'm going to put d high, which is the derivative of high, and if we use the power rule, that becomes 2x. The next thing I'm going to do is use our low, and that is 1 plus e to the x. And we actually don't even need parentheses, so that's my bad. And then we're going to have our derivative of low, which equals e to the x. The reason why it is that is because the derivative of a constant is 0. This is a constant. And then e to the x, the derivative of that is e to the x. So now we're going to rewrite everything. We're going to get our low, and we're going to put that here. And we're going to have the 1 plus e to the x, which is really us just copying and pasting. And we're going to multiply that by our high, well, our d high, excuse me, which is 2x. And then we're going to subtract that by our high, which is x squared. And that's going to be multiplied by our d low, which we know is e to the x. And we have all of this over low squared, which is just 1 plus e to the x, and then we square it. Let me not forget that equal sign. And the next thing we're going to do is simplify. So we're going to just use our regular distribution and FOIL techniques we've learned throughout the course of our math journey. We're just going to kind of clean it up. So we have a 1 times 2x, which is going to be 2x. And then e to the x times 2x is going to be 2x e to the x. And then we're going to have that minus x squared e to the x. We're going to have all of this over 1 plus e to the x. Back in the day when I was doing a bunch of homework, I got lazy and I just put low squared on the bottom. So I had it kind of written like this, low squared. So that way I didn't have to keep writing this I didn't have to keep writing out 1 plus e to the x. But that's just me. But since I'm kind of navigating you through the quotient rule, I'm actually writing it out so nobody gets confused or upset. So yeah, let's get to the next part of this. Now we need to combine like terms. And yeah, that's really it. So I see we have a 2x. We have a 2x to the ex minus x squared ex. So I know all of these terms actually can't be combined because they're all different. But we can factor some stuff out. This has an x, this has an x, so does this. So I'm actually going to factor an x out of all of these on the numerator, and then we're going to be left with 2 plus 2 e to the x minus x e to the x. And we're going to add all of that over 1 plus e to the x squared. So this is actually our new derivative. So f prime of x equals this. GTA Math, thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with us from the beginning. We almost are at a year in since the channel has been opened up. And I just wanted to say thank you to anybody that still watches the videos and gets some use out of them. More to come. Let's continue to learn, love, grow together in this journey of life. Take care.